Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down the power rule. Remember, if y is equal to k multiplied by x to the power of n, then the derivative of y with respect to x will be equal to k multiplied by n multiplied by x to the power of n minus 1 because we have to reduce the power by 1. So this is very, very, very important. Let's have a look at the question. Y equals x cubed multiplied by the binomial x minus 4. Work out the derivative of y with respect to x. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to write down the function again and then I'm going to expand the brackets. So it looks like this. Y equals x cubed multiplied by x minus 4. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to expand the brackets. X cubed multiplied by x is equal to x to the power of 4. X cubed multiplied by negative 4 is equal to what? It's equal to negative 4x cubed. Now I'm going to find the derivative. So the derivative of y with respect to x will be what? Let's start with the first term. So here we have x to the power of 4. Remember, we have a little 1 here in front of the x, but we just don't write it. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. And then we have to reduce the power by 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So it becomes 4x cubed. Okay. Negative 4 times 3 is equal to negative 12. And then we have to write down the variable and reduce the power by 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So this is your final answer.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.